Hi there, students. Zillion, a zillion, or zillions. Okay, a zillion is a massive number. So I've got a zillion different things to do. It's a very large, unspecified number. There were zillions of people at the party. Okay, so I've got a zillion different problems to solve. Yeah, um, he's a zillionaire. He's got a huge amount of money. Yeah, I I must have told you a zillion times not to do that. Yeah, for the zillionth time, don't do it. So this is just some enormous unspecified number. Yeah, zillion, extremely large number of people or things or whatever. Yeah, we had zillions of customers through the door. Yeah, there were zillions of it. It's been a zillion years since I've seen you. Yeah, there are zillions of different ways to resolve this. So an extremely large quantity or amount or number. Yeah, but it doesn't actually specify how many. It's just adding emphasis to say that there is a huge number of these. Yeah, I believe he sold a zillion copies of his new book. Yeah, there were zillions of reasons why I didn't want to do this. Okay, so zillion. This is an informal word. I think informality, I'm going to give it a 3 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a very informal writing or note, but nothing more. Don't use it semi-formally at all. And then the origin, well, the illion, as in a million, a billion. Yeah, and I think that illion just tells us about the number of noughts. And then maybe the Z comes from a symbol meaning an unknown quantity. So Z plus million, a zillion. Yeah, there are a zillion videos in my channel. Yeah, so there are a zillion ways you can pronounce this. Yeah, okay, so zillions of. Yeah, there are zillions of these. I'm going to take. I'm going to eat a zillion of these yummy chocolates. So it just means a very large number. And notice it's an informal phrase as well. Okay, so there are zillions of people who are interested in your product. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Zillions.